Yield to worst for a callable bond. What do we mean by this? Let's see. Let's say we have a callable bond with 5 years of maturity. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, the bond is callable at years 3, 4 and 5. Callable means the issuer can call back the bond or buy back the bond at a given price. Let's say the initial issuance was at 100 and the coupon was 6%, right? And the callable price is also 100. So, whenever the issuer decides to call back, the price he has to pay is 100. So, if the bond is called at t is equal to 3, then what is the yield? Y3 is given by, now let's say the current price of the bond is 102. This is equal to 6 by 1 plus Y3, Y3 being the yield if the bond is called at t is equal to 3, 6 by 1 plus Y3 square plus the callable price is 100. So, this becomes 106 by 1 plus Y3 whole cube, right. So, from this we can find out what Y3 is. We just have to plug in these values in the calci, or we can also do it manually here, but it's better to do it this way. PV is equal to 102, let's say it is negative, FV is equal to 100, periodic payment is 6, number of periods is 3, we need to find out the yield. Let's do that. Yield is coming to be 5.2619. Okay. So, this is our yield if the bond is called at t is equal to 3, right. What if the bond is called at t is equal to 4? In this case, 102 is equal to 6 by 1 plus y4 plus 6 by 1 plus y4 whole square, 106 by 1 plus y4 to the power 4. Here also we can find out the value easily. This comes out to be y4 is equal to 5.4303%. So, if the bond is called at t is equal to 4, the yield is 5.4303. Similarly, we can easily find out y5, which will come to be 5.5312. Now, here the lowest yield is Y3 and the highest yield is Y5, 5.5312. The lowest yield here is called the yield to worst. This means that the yield to the investor will be lowest if the bond is called at t is equal to 3.